Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Clash and Win. If you are new to my channel, then please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Today I am gonna show you how to use your medals wisely and how to rush your base properly. I just came on Town Hall 11 before 6 days. I am on Town Hall 10. I just upgraded my Town Hall 10 to max level and then came to Town Hall 11. Today I am gonna rushing my base to Town Hall 12 because I need a siege machine. I have 2 to 3 IDs. Here I am the leader of the clan. As you can see, this is my ID. This all accounts are free to play series. Today I am gonna rush this page and start another series of rush to base series. Okay, as you can see, I purchased a book of building, not a book of building but hammer of a building from my medals. I had 500 medals, and I have just purchased a hammer of building for upgrading my town hall because it takes 14 days to upgrade to town hall 12, and I cannot wait for the another CWL is coming. As you can see, after 12 days the another CWL is coming after 11 days. Sorry, it's coming after 11 days, and I just want a siege machine so that I can donate my players and donate to me also, so that we can win the CWL and get the 3 star. So I used my upgrade to upgrade hammer to upgrade the town hall. You can see the instant upgrade is going on. I wait for 5 days to 6 days so that I can get the boost. As you can see, as we came to new town hall level, we always get a boost for 5 to 6 days. So I used that boost on town hall 11 and upgraded my all the troops and defense. So I can just use it now also. I'm gonna take my all the I'm taking my defense down from the shop, all the traps and all the defense. Although I have just one builder, but we can use it wisely to take down my all of the defense. It takes 4 days and 12 hours to go, and it 3 hours that I can't wait. I have to take out the siege machine, which takes 6 days to go, but I had not much. So let's see our magic items what we have. There we can see, you can see there I had a book of fighting, book of building. This is free to play series. I just purchased the book of building at 925 gem. You can purchase from here. Today I just have a free training portion. I will collect that later. But before we go, yes, we had some loots in the treasury. So let's upgrade some of the walls we had left from that loot so we can get it. Yes, I just upgrade my, as you can see here, I'm just upgrading my all of the walls so I can get rid of the all the loot I had. And then I'm gonna show you the some farming army. You can see my farming army. This is my farming army. Dark goblin, just invest little bit amount of dark here, just 50,000, and get more value out of it. As you can see, I had attacked some of the players. What a loot I had got: 6,930 dark, 7,000, almost 8,000 dark, 7,000 dark, with 1 million elixir and 9 lakh gold. This is my loot, and I'm also gonna show you some of the live attacks here. Just had to donate the player, then after I show you the attack. But first of all, we have to upgrade our laboratory to level 8 and finish out from the laboratory. As you came to new town hall, then you must have a one book of building so that you can upgrade your laboratory. As you know, the laboratory level must matter. As you came to town hall, you got a boost of laboratory, and as you increase your laboratory level, then your troops level are also increased, so you can make use of that book of building to upgrade your laboratory, so you can get most out of it. Now we had I had to farm a lot in 1 hour, but I had a training portion here, so I can use to get most out of it. But before that, I had some farming army, so I can farm my full of the storages in just 1 hour. But I will show you only 2 live attacks here. Let me start. And from that star bonus we get our treasury full. Out of that, here I had hidden Tesla. I'm building the hidden Tesla for 3 hours, and after 3 hours I'm gonna build my siege machine or workshop, so I can get a siege machine, first of the siege machine wall wrecker. So let's start our video. Find some awesome loots. As you can see, after a long period of time, I found some awesome loot here. Let's show you how to crush this base and get max value out of it. One here, one for each, just one for each. Yes, here, then go for here, 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, 1 1 1 1, 1 and 1 for this. You can get most value out of here. One here, one here. I had NCC balloons, so let's go from here. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3. I just put the jump spell so the goblins can go directly into the base, and then I target town hall, because town hall is also one type of storage. Then we easily get 1 star. And now I'm gonna go for the dark storage, and here I go for the elixir storage. That's all. I get most value out of the least. I used just a little amount of dark. As you can see here, I just used 1,63,000 0 dark on little much of elixir, and then I got most value out of it. I train another army for this.